Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today au menu Poulet Basquaise, a Basque regional classic dish based with chicken and peppers. So let's do it. So what we need is a chicken. There's some peppers. I've got red today, but you can use green or yellow. Doesn't matter. The taste is the same. I've got some sweet peppers here, onions, garlic, thyme, bay leaves, chilies, some flour, tomato paste, and some chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock, that works, or even water, that works as well. So first of all, we're gonna take care of the chicken. A quick tip for you in a kitchen, as I've been taught at catering school, it's called the triangle. You got the product, you got the waste, and the finished product, and always that triangle. First of all, we don't need this. We slice the size, a little crack, there's joints, that's it. That's your chicken thigh. Same on the other side. Okay, get the supreme out. In the middle, it is. Reserve. So this is your waste. This is not waste, you can do a chicken stock with this. And this is our final product. This one, we just cut it in two. Here you go. There's your pilon of chicken, and there's your thigh, there's your wing, and there's your breast. Okay. Okay, next let's get our pepper ready. Get rid of the inside in two, and we want thick strips like so. Next are sweet red pepper, same principle. Take the top off, get rid of the inside seeds, just cut it in half and get rid of the rubbish. This is what we want. Okay, next the onion, both and out like so. Next garlic, about 4 cloves, just mash it a bit, it's easier to peel. There you go, like so, and roughly chop. And I nearly forgot the chilies. It's up to you. You can leave the seeds in or take them out. It's up to you. Today I'm gonna take them out. Now apparently I read recently that it's not the seeds who makes the chili very hot, it's the membrane inside, this little membrane there, who makes it very, very hot. Okay, very important. Always, once you cut chili, please wash your hands. Okay, because that's very hot indeed. Okay, all my veg ready for the recipe. Now we move on to the next stage. Okay, next we're gonna season our poultry here. A little salt, there you go. A little black pepper. While this is happening, I've got a pan on the stove, a little olive oil. The idea is not to cook the chicken, it's just to caramelize. It takes about 10 minutes. This is what we're after. Nice color. Okay, so in the same oil that we did the chicken, we're gonna pan fry our onion first. Comes the garlic. Next, I'm gonna add my peppers. Keep stirring as you don't want the peppers and the onions to burn. Okay. So after 5-7 minutes, I'm gonna add my flour into my veg. That's gonna thicken the sauce. I'm adding then the tomato puree, mix the whole thing, and I'm gonna add my chicken on top of my garnish. Okay, there you go. I'm adding some bay leaves and some fresh thyme, and I'm adding the chicken stock. One thing, I forgot to add my chili, so I'm adding my chili on the top. This one is gonna cook for about an hour and a half on medium heat on the stove. You don't need to cover. Okay, so after an hour and a half of cooking slowly on the stove, our chicken basquaise is ready. Look at this, beautiful. Look at that. This, you can serve that with a little rice or some sauté new potatoes, whatever you fancy. I like to add to mine a little crushed chili on top, not too much. Here we go, and a little black pepper, and I've got some Greek basil here, just for the finish. So there you have it, Poulet Basquaise, my way, on Stef le Chef. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, that will be ace. And to finish, wonder what my assistants got for me today. What have you got for me? Oh, a little Côte de Gascogne to go with my chicken basquaise, Poulet Basquaise. So, enjoy, bon appétit, and see you soon on Stef le Chef. Cheers. That's nice. I'm gonna crack in